In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on attachments in Trello cards. Whether you're collaborating on a project or simply leaving feedback, knowing how to comment on attachments in Trello is a valuable skill for keeping your team organized and on the same page. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to navigate Trello like a pro, attach your thoughts to specific files, and ensure your teammates are always in the loop. Let's get started. First, begin by opening your browser and heading over to Trello.com. This is the main website for Trello, where all your boards and cards are stored. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Login button. Now you'll need to choose how you'd like to log in. Trello offers a few options here. You can log in with your Google account, Microsoft account, or single sign-on if your organization uses it. Alternatively, you can simply enter your email address and password. Once you've entered your credentials, complete any two-factor authentication if prompted. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. When you're ready, click Login to access your Trello workspace. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Here, you'll see all your boards. Locate the board that contains the card you're working with. If you have many boards and can't find the one you need right away, use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly filter and locate your board. Once you've found it, click on the board to open it. Inside the board, you'll see all the cards related to that specific project. Find the card where the attachment is located and click on it. This will open up the card details view where you can see all the information, tasks, and files associated with this particular card. Next, scroll down within the card until you reach the attachment section. This is where all files, images, and other attached items are stored. Once you locate the attachment you want to comment on, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots appear. Click on this 3 dots icon to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Comment. This will bring up a comment box where you can type your message. In the comment box, you can write your thoughts, feedback, or any instructions related to the attachment. If you want to notify a specific teammate, you can mention them by typing the @ symbol followed by their name. For example, typing John Doe will tag your teammate John Doe, ensuring they are notified about your comment. Once you've finished typing your comment, click the Save button to post it. Your comment will now appear in the card's activity feed, along with a link to the attachment. Take a moment to verify that your comment is visible in the activity feed and that it references the correct attachment. If you notice any mistakes in your comment or want to add additional details, you can edit your comment directly from the activity feed. Just locate your comment, click on it, make the necessary changes, and save the updated version. And that's it! You've successfully commented on an attachment in a Trello card. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.